Hey, it's Ben, and I have this computer speaker. The company sent this over to me and has compensated me for this review. Let's take it out of the box and test it out. It comes with some basic instructions. It's called a wooden speaker, so I love the look of it. It's got a nice retro look. It's actually made out of wood. It's a fabric cover on the front of the speaker. The back is wooden as well, and there's a single wire coming out of it. Within this single wire, you have the USB, which will be the power for this, so you'll need to plug this into a USB power source. It could be a computer or an adapter plugged into a wall. And then you have your stereo 1/8" headphone jack. And this will go into your computer or device, whatever you want to listen to. There's one control knob on the side, and that's going to be your volume. On the bottom, there are felt feet, so this will give some padding for the surface it's sitting on. Okay, so I have it plugged in, and the volume knob now has a nice color glow to it, so that's cool. I'm going to test this out just by playing some music loops, and we'll see how it sounds. All right, so all of those drum beats, that was playing at full volume. Just my quick take on this is that it's a good quality speaker, not a super loud or low end, but you wouldn't expect that from such a small device. But it is nice and clear at full volume. It's pretty decent. It's not going to blow you away, but for a cool looking little speaker that you just need some basic sound for I wouldn't suggest this for gaming or watching movies or anything that requires some really high-end sound quality. But just for basic use, this is really a great little speaker, and I just love the look of it. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.